Hey everyone, it's Sandra here, and I will be showing you how to, two simple ways of how to solve a Rubik's Cube. These are my favorite ways, and yeah, this is how some people impress people, but I think this is really a trick and easy. So here, so the first trick is you could do it whatever color you want. White, red, blue, green, orange, yellow, you pick. So the first thing is, you go like this. You could flip it, then you flip it like that. Then you just then you have that one solved and that one solved. Now all you have to do is just find the other orange, and you're good. There's the first trick. Then the second one is just that you go like this. So you get these two like this. You hold the white and the white with four fingers like this. These four fingers you hold like this, and these four fingers you hold like this. You put your two thumbs right here, and you just
Try one.
there. Thanks for watching. Bye.